Hello, thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to be making a waterfall out of recycled parts. I wanted to make a custom waterfall for the next habitat build I'll be doing. I took 2 mealworm containers and glued them together. That's going to be the body of the waterfall. Then I took a cricket container and used it as the base. I put weed stopper on the inside so that could have the foam sit on top. This waterfall pump works great, and I put that on the middle, gluing everything together with hot glue. This had to be watertight, so it was kind of challenging. Then I cut a hole for the pipe that would take water into the system. After cutting it to shape, I tried test number 1. It worked, but it shot out very far, so I knew I had to do something to help that. Ignoring that problem for a minute, I glued the top. Then I took a waxworm container lid and started addressing that problem. I thought by building a ledge, maybe it could stop the flow a little bit. Then I glued more weed blocker on the top. It worked nicely. More of a trickle than the waterfall look I was going for, but it would work. I put a quartz rock on the top and started using the spray foam. At the start, it looked like an ugly frosted cake. It was going to take a lot of shaping. Then I carved it using a knife. This was probably the longest part of the process. It was difficult getting it to a shape that I was okay with, but this was gonna have to do. Then I did black acrylic non-toxic paint. It went on pretty well, but then it started dripping. It didn't stick well to the spray foam. The next day, I put on a dark gray coat. And I painted the rock. I was debating painting it because I liked how it looked, how it was natural, I liked the color, but it just looked bad having an orange rock on the top of a gray fountain. Then I did a light gray paint. Finally, I had to make this safe, so I put on a plastic sheet so hopefully no paint would fall out into the water. After this, I did test number 3. It worked well, and I decided it was done. It didn't take long to build, and it looked very similar to a rock, so I was okay with it. If I build a waterfall in the future, I'd like it to have more shape to it and a little bit more natural look, but this was okay for the build I'm going to be doing. Here's a sneak peek. You can see that Nebula really loves the waterfall, so I'm really happy about that. If Neb likes it, then I like it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.